She says, hi. Hi, my cousin. Look at her. She says, oh, I found a better toy. Yes, I did. Hi. Is your cousin trying to take that camera? Here, Zoe. Oh, she said, that's more fun.
Little cough. What's
Oh,
that
please
about?
don't even say anything about a cough. I don't want her to be...
You're going to make me fall off the bed.
Is that Mickey Mouse? Oh, no, that's not Mickey, is it?
It's Handy Manny.
I want
I'll go make her a bottle while you guys are...
Okay, and then the only thing I want to do before you